standing there.
Expired mission.
This looks like the picture over there.
I'm just gonna nighttime attack on the neighbour's house. Recon mission. What do you think, lass? Shall we wait till evening time?
Yes, whenever she'll sneak up on them.
I need to take out the neatest neighbours, man. It's competition.
Making all that noise, that racket.
I can hear them, man. I can hear them. There's one armed with what looks like a bag of shotguns. We're gonna have to take him down. There's another one with a guitar that looks like a shotgun. He's going down, 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 down. Hillbilly blues. I'm gonna take out my neighbor sitting right over there. I want to take out my neighbor there, cause he's staring over there, oh here, oh there, oh everywhere he stares, everywhere there's my neighbor, oh yeah, He got 2 barrel shotguns, I got 5, what am I gonna do, I'm still alive, oh yeah. We'll take my neighbor out, oh no, yeah. I think I'll take my neighbor out tonight, alright. Can you see my neighbor sitting over there, swinging on his porch with a big fat torch for the nighttime, staring over there, staring here, there, and everywhere. Said I don't like my neighbor cause he's sitting over there. I don't like my neighbor cause he wanders on the stair. Oh, what the fuck will I do with my neighbor?